Right, hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be back on Earningrad. So what I'm going to be doing today is just selling some assorted rape, and I crashed, that's not good. Anyway, selling some assorted rape to get some more money to lease in the potato gear, to plant the potatoes and stuff. So yeah, in the last episode I think we were ploughing and spraying slurry, and from then I just bought some bales and fed the cows to make sure they had everything they did need. So now they're all green on everything. I just need to give them some more water, and then they'll be fine. So milk is good. When I get a great demand for milk, I'll be selling all of that. But hopefully we're getting some more milk, which is good. I've got £29,000 for that, and I probably have another load or two, full load or two. So we'll probably get up. I want to get up to £100,000. So yes. I just want to check something quickly. So if we go into tractors, I want to see if you can get thin wheels, like row crops on Trelleborg Mitas. No, I want these. No. Right, so you can't have thin wheels on this one. So I think what will have to be is this Bureau tractor. This will have to have the. This have to have the thin wheels. So I have to have this on the windrow thing, the swather, and then I will use the other tractor on the harvester. But we will do a lot of carting, and I think we're just going to sell them straight on to the shop. Sell them like straight on as soon as I have. So as soon as I get a full load of this, I'll sell them. Because I can't be bothered to store them and then pick them up again and then do something with them. So yeah. So anyway, I think I'm going to lease 2 of the normal planters, and then the ones that do fertilizer from the pack. So get 2 of the, I can't remember what they're called, but what I'm going to do is I'll probably lease. So I'll lease 2 of these, and then I'll lease like 2 of these or 2 of these or something, and then I will lease this one here, because basically this will drop 4 rows like exactly next to each other, and then our harvester can go pick up as wide as that. So I'll lease that in, so it'll be quicker than using this one or this one. In a sense, I don't know. But anyway, how much horsepower does it require? So what I might do is just lease this one and lease 2 of these, lease this one, and then have this one and this the harvester, because there's no point in me doing 2 of these or 1 of these or something. Anyway, so we have we don't have a full load. Oh, we do. There we go. So we don't have a lot left, so I won't bother going down and doing that. Hopefully we can make a bit of money from the potatoes. But what I might do is do some silage in these fields to get some more money. Well, I mean, silage isn't the best. If you look on the store page, we have potatoes are going and 700, and that's going down. So we're looking at 600. Corn, soybeans is really where is that? I'm on playing easy, so yeah. But anyway, so doing like straw pellets and stuff and hay pellets wouldn't be bad, but they're not very good prices. It's probably about the same as potatoes. So that's not massively worth. Silage is what I'm really disappointed about, because the barn is like 500, or last time I looked it was like 600, and so is the biogas plant. And surely having the biogas plant, yeah, you get the digestate, but I always thought it was more money, because on Felsborough and stuff, selling stuff at the biogas is you get more money for it than the barn. But there you go. I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, those of you who are watching this video, just go and check out my first channel. And yeah, on my first channel I have had some problems with my videos, so they certain spots, like the actual video has been like as frozen, but yeah, I've still been talking, all the time lapse has still been playing, but you can't actually see anything, you just see like a view of the, so it just like freeze like this, and the music will keep playing or I keep talking and nothing will happen, and then it will suddenly catch up. Excuse me. But yeah, anyway, that's a problem I've had. Hopefully it won't happen on this video. It might do, but I don't know. But yeah, that's as much money as I'm gonna get. So we get the planters, because I think my field's only 50% fertilized. If you look, field 7 over here. Yeah, it's only 50% fertilized, so I will get those two with fertilizer, so it'll be 100%, which would be good. And yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to use the machine that boxes them up, puts them into boxes, just because I may do that some other time when I've got a large scale potato thing, and I don't know if you can actually put washed potatoes and stuff in there. Obviously you can't wash potatoes and sort them on here, but on PC you can, so that is something that we can do. So how much of this do we have? Oh no, not much. I'm not gonna bother taking that down. I'll probably only get, maybe I can get up to, I'll take it. So I will probably sell a few more things, and I will see you when I am over at the field starting the potato planting. So yeah, I'll see you then. So guys, I am back over at the field with the potato planters. So I've already got the tractor over there started to plant that bit over in that corner, and then over here I'm going to start this one over on this corner and do a time lapse, which will be good. Hopefully it will all work, and if it doesn't, I will cry. I won't actually cry, but I will be upset. So yeah, I'm going to put those on workers. So he is going down this side, which is fine. Yeah, because I can, because the field slightly slants inwards here and outwards the other side, there is going to be a bit here, as you can see, bits of ploughed land here that will be missed, but I'll go back at the end and get those bits myself. So yeah, I will now start a time lapse.